Hello everyone, you are on the phone support channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like to support it, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or asking questions. Thank you. In this video, I will show and tell you how to remember your Discord account password if you forgot it. To do this, you go to your iPhone settings. You go down to the bottom and find the item, Passwords. This is where all social media passwords are saved. In the search, you write the social network you want. You open it up, and here you can see your forgotten password. You can copy it. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also see other useful videos on the channel. You were on the phone support channel. See you soon. Watch other videos on this channel.